challenge. Today we are going to learn about Python operators. First of all, what are operators? Operators are special symbols in Python that are used to perform operations on the values and variables. For example, we want to add two numbers, subtract them, multiply them, or compare them. We use operators. Python provides different type of operators. First operator is basically arithmetic operator. These operators are used for mathematical calculation, like example addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, exponent, and float. Let's see an example. Suppose we have two variables like a and b, a equal to 10, like, and b equal to 3. I don't want to indentation here. Then print, like we add a and b. Then we are printing here print a and b, like a plus b. So now we will check here. A equal to 10 plus b equal to 3. So the output is 13. And the result is also, now we will check here. Is this result is the same? 13. Like we are using some other method. Like we will check here. This is addition. Now we will check here. Okay. Now addition is 13. Why 13? We are adding here 10. 10 plus 3. A plus B, A is equal to 10 plus B is equal to 3. Then we are adding 10 plus 3 equal to 13. That was the output. Now we will check another. Now we subtract here B from it. Now we will check here print B minus A. So I don't want indentation here. Like we will check just control slash B is equal to 3 and 3. Yeah. V is equal to 3 and A is equal to 10 and the output is minus 7. So now we will check here, like we are adding here something. We are adding here subtraction. Now we will check here. Is this correct or not? Yeah, this is minus 7. Now we will multiply A and B. Print A into B, like multiply now we will check here. First of all, we will try run. First of all, we will try run here 10 into 3, like A equal to 10, B equal to 3. Then this is 30. Basically, multiply means repeated addition. So 10 3 times equal to 30. Now we will check here some other methods like division. Print divided division. A by B. Now we will check here control slash 10 by 3 and 3.33333. Basically it's repeated so on. Division gives us how many? Division gives us how many times? 3 times into 10. So the answer is a decimal values basically like this. It's a 3.3333 so on. Now we will check here. Just a second. Okay. Now what is the problem is now this is the next we will go to modulo. Modulo operators used to reminder after the division. Now we will check here like print 10 modulo 3. This is modulo. Now we will check. And the output is A modulo B. A modulo B. And the output is like 10 modulo 3 equal to 3.3333. No, I did wrong. Sorry. This is the output is 1 basically. Why? No. Oh, just a second. Like A equal to 10 here and B equal to 3. Then A modulo B. So 10 modulo 3. 10 modulo 3. So the answer is 1 equal to 1. How it's come to 1? Let's explain it. This you will understand here. This is 3. This 10. So 3 3 is 9. So we are writing here 9. 9 and 10 minus 9 basically 1. So the remainder is 1. This is a reminder. Modulo always represent a reminder. Basically, we can say always modulo operators give the reminder after division. We will check here. Also, this is the one. In real world example, like this is used to checking like even odd numbers or dividing items equally and finding leftovers. Okay. Now we will check floor division. Let's understand the floor division. Floor division gives a whole number basically, and whole number parts and remove decimal numbers. Now we will check here print like floor, floor division and assignment division. Floor division A floor gives double by is floor, and we will check how it's work. Like we using here comment 10 by 3. 10 by 3 comes 3.33333 so on. When we use floor division, we use 10 by double, sorry, 10 by 10 floor division 3. It's come to 3 because floor division removes the decimal part. It's represent only a whole part. So it's come 3. Look at this. This is the 3. Now we basically in real world example, this is used when we want to complete groups like how many full boxes we make, this kind of things. Now we will introduce exponents. Let's about let's talk about exponents. First of all, we are writing here print and exponents b. Basically, exponents means power of number. So a equal to 3 and b equal to a equal to 10, b equal to 3. So 10 exponent 3, that means 10 is a 3 10. Basically, it means 1000. Let me explain here. Like this, uh, a equal to 10 and b equal to 3. So now exponent, we are using exponent here. So basically 10 exponent 3. So 10 into 10 into 10. Basically, we multiplied 3 times in 10. So the output is 1000. Now we will check here. This is the output is 10,000. I mean 1000. Yeah, 1000. Sorry. Yes. Exponents. Now we will check here. Exponents is a 1000. We use another number also, like we are using here c is equal to 5 and d equal to 2. So we will check. Now we will check here. Now we are writing here c equal to 5 and d equal to 2. So c exponent d. So we are writing here 5 exponent d, I mean 2. So the answer is 25. Why is 25? Because 5 into 5, we are using 5 into 5 because of the d is the power. This d donates to power, so we are using is 5 into 5, then 5 5 is 25. This is the answer. Basically, this is now we will check here uh, the dry run result is true or not. Okay, now we will check here exponent 2, exponent exponent 2. Okay, c exponent d. So we will check here. This is the basically, is this the output is 25 or not? And this 2, I can change here 3. Now we will check here. Yeah, this is the 25. The output is correct. Okay. Now we are using one real world example. So, like we are using here. Imagine you purchased a laptop and keyboard. We will calculate the total bill and then we used GST, 18% GST to find the final output. Now we will first we store these prices in variable. First we will create some variable like laptop equal to 50,000. 50,000. Yeah, 50,000, that's fine. Mouse equal to 800, basically 800. And keyboard na, is this keyboard? Yeah, keyboard equal to 15,000, I mean 1500. Then we are added all the price to get a total bill before tax. Then we are printing here print total bill before price. Now we are add here first total equal to laptop plus mouse plus keyboard. Now we will check here total, total. First of all, laptop price. Like a laptop equal to 50,000, and mouse equal to 800, and keyboard equal to 1500. So we will add all of them. Laptop plus mouse plus keyboard. So 50,000 plus 800 plus 1500. So when we will add here, the result is 52,000 to 52,000. What happened? 52,300. So we will check here what is the result. Okay, we will check. Is it correct? Yeah, 52,300. Total before add tax. Before add tax. Okay. Now we will add GST. Yeah, total will calculate, then add GST. Now we will add GST, then add GST. Now we will add GST here. GST formula, total equal to 18 by 100. So what is the total amount of the of these variables? Basically, what is the price? Total price of the this. So total price is 52,300 into 18 by 100. This is when we will multiply 52,300. It's come to 94 lakh. Sorry, I think it's now 9 lakh 4,000. Like 9 lakh 41,400. This is then multiplied by 100. Then the output is basically 9,414. We are using decimal. That's why this came to point. The result is come to in decimal value. Now we will check here. Bring add GST. Add GST. Now add GST. So that's the thing we are doing here. Like total. Yeah. Total divide multiply 18 and divided by 100, and the result is basically you are using like this, and also you are using like this. Like we are using here GST equal to GST equal to total into 18 by 100. Now we are using here GST. Now we are final final. After adding GST, we get the final amount that customer need to pay. So final bill equal to total plus GST. So I'm writing here final equal to total plus GST. Plus GST. Print final. And now we are adding the final result. This is the final result. Final bill after adding GST. So the result is 61,714. When we don't want to like decimal number, we adding flow. You can try yourself this question. I will provide you this question. You will try your own self this question. I will provide this question. I think you can do it. If you don't do it, please comment in the video. I will explain this question also. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video.